The United Arab Emirates showed a hoverbike from a local startup. Even government officials came to the presentation and said that it was a cutting-edge solution for emergency services. The 300-kilogram vehicle rises to 20 meters and accelerates to 80 kilometers per hour thanks to a 230-horsepower Kawasaki racing engine. A full tank allows you to use it for 40 minutes, enough to deliver cargo, reach an emergency patient, or help rescuers. Plans are underway to further refine the vehicle and open a production facility in the UAE with the approximate price of one hoverbike at $700,000. Oh, we started with scientific breakthroughs and layered on top of that world-class engineering. Say, the creators of this robot, previously it looked like a platform with legs, but now it also has a torso, arms, and a head. One of the key differences from similar products is that the knee joints bend backwards so the robot can walk on rocks and grass and can squat confidently. It's not just made for fun but for work. For example, it can be used in a warehouse or for delivery. The robot can carry boxes weighing up to 16 kilograms, place them on a conveyor belt and work together with its mechanical colleagues. In terms of work shifts, each robot can work for 16 hours, which means that it can replace 2 employees if necessary. While its price tag is 6 figures, the approximate cost of an hour's work including all costs is $25. Let's stay in the air and take a look at these Cirrus Aviation aircraft. They know their stuff. The State Route 22 is one of the most popular single-engine private jets, and their other models are not far behind. One of the secrets of their success is the parachute system that can recover the plane from a spin or help in case of technical problems. There are already known cases when it actually saved the lives of the pilots and passengers. Here is, for example, footage from Brazil where no one was injured. The performance isn't bad either. The SR-22T model can climb up to 7,620 meters, has a cruising speed of 395 kilometers per hour and a payload of 565 kilograms. Air conditioning and a leather interior for passenger comfort. The price is around $820,000. Is there life on Mars, or will there be someday? We don't know, but Mars rovers are working on this question. For example, Perseverance has been exploring the Red Planet since 2021 and has already traveled more than 12 kilometers, and on Earth people are developing more and more advanced versions. The prototype on the screen, called SherpaTT, has already shown its capabilities in a German sand mine, the Moroccan desert, and other locations in Germany. It was found to be faster than the Perseverance. It took less than 3 hours to cover a distance of 500 meters. However, in Morocco a problem surfaced. The genes were so similar to each other that the smart system had trouble with navigation. However, the prototype still drove about 1.3 kilometers and even successfully sent a message about interesting rocks worthy of photographing. This team had an equally interesting task, building the world's first commercial household robot, and they seem to be on the right track. The round Enabot EBO X has already been featured in Forbes, and the project has raised more than $330,000 through Kickstarter, instead of the original $10,000. If all goes according to plan, the first robots will roll out to customers in the second quarter of this year. But what are they capable of? First, entertainment. You can talk to the robots thanks to the built-in speakers and a Harman Audio EFX sound system. Secondly, supervision thanks to the sensors and 4K cameras. The robot will immediately notice if someone has fallen or started crying, and it will also prevent small children and animals from entering potentially dangerous areas of the house of the robots. About the size of a soccer ball, its speed is about 1.5 meters per second, and its price starts at $570.